Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to do an unboxing for your creative studio, and I've got this really cute box of treasures. Now, one of the things I really like about these little goodie boxes you get, first of all, they come in a super sturdy box, right? This one actually came in like one of those bag type packagings, and this was inside. And this was for the January box for your creative studio. This nice little sticker there. Cute little thank you card. Oh, I have paint on me. What a shock. But really nice little artwork you can also use. Okay, now let's get into the present part of this. The whole thing's like a present because you get all of these little goodies. So everything comes really, really beautifully packaged. So let's take out the goodies and we will jump right into it. Let's go into the papers first. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, look at that, guys. I'm gonna have to come out just a little bit. There we go. All right, so we have a locomotive. Ooh, my friend MK would like that. Let me see. Oh, these feel nice. So this is the paper ephemera. And like the packaging's really nice too. And it says your creative studio paper ephemera contains 24 sheets, 6 sticker paper, 6 vellum, 6 art paper, 6 pattern papers. Okay, let's see what we have. I might need a little space. I didn't know I'm gonna have so many. Oh, it is like a vellum-y paper. It's like a vellum paper in a really good way. So we have the locomotive, and then this looks kind of like a map. I'm doing it kind of backwards. So let me come out just a little bit more. Very nice. So this is like a repeating geometric, but it's a really nice chocolate brown and tan. Then we've got like a distressed plaid. Oh, how cute is this? So it looks like ripped pieces. Guys, this makes me want to do some art journaling. And then we have some stamped pieces, like advertisement. Looks like an atlas. Oh, and a little bit of cursive writing. Oh, and here's a locomotive up here, some mountains, and it looks like, I don't know, it's stamped, but it looks kind of like newsprint. Look at this. So here it is. Oh, wait, so maybe this is a vellum? So what was that? Because this is very cool feeling paper. Maybe that's just the paper. Oh, maybe that's the art paper. Then this is the vellum. You can totally see through it. We're doing the same prints in an amazing vellum assortment. Oh. And then this, ooh, it's textury. Is this the sticker paper? What is this? So we had, let's see, there's art paper, pattern paper, vellum paper, and sticker paper. Oh, guys, it's got this really nice texture to it. So the same papers again, and they come in all of these finishes. Oh, guys, and then this is like paper, so that must be sticker paper. Oh, wow, so you get a lot of these papers. That's very, very cool. Very, very cool. Okay, lots of finishes on the paper. Then what's next? I like to do the paper things and then go right into the embellishments. So these are sticky notes, and they read travel plan on them. And I think they're all the same, but they're sticky notes, which is rather fun. Come on. Note to self, don't put on paper. And then, or yeah, they're all the same. Don't put on lotion, then try to unbox. So we have sticky notes. And then what's next? What's this? Old newspaper, 60 pieces, material paper. Let's see what that means. Let's see. Old newspaper. Oh, so there's all, guys, this stuff is cool. So there's vellum and regular paper. Look at the vellum, like it looks like an old letter. Oops. And when you get these, guys, they're 60 pieces. There are so many pieces for you to do your thing with. Like, look at that vellum. I was just doing something where I needed vellum for part of a challenge, and this would have come in so handy. Oh, These are cool. You get the coolest little things that you didn't even know you needed. All right, I have that. Then, what's this? Globe map. Let's see what this little treasure is. Globe map. Let's see. I'm going to take this little piece off. It's a thick book. Oh, so it's a whole book of maps. How stinking cool is that? Think about all the stuff you could just punch right out of this. It would be so cool. If you're taking a trip, you can totally use this for scrapbooking. Okay, yum, 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 yum. All right, so find the memory. Find the memory. Is there anything for me to know? Nope. So let's see. Let's just cut into this and see what these are. So we have got all of these little label pieces, guys. Look at them. There's tons, and they repeat, so you know. So let's see. So so it looks like there's like 2 of each, and they're like ovals and rectangles and diamond shaped and all of that. And they're cute little ads and newsprint pieces cut out. How cute. You get so many, like so many. Okay, what's next? This looks cool. What do you guys think? Post box. What do you guys think this is? Wenshu Original Design Brand. That tells me nothing about what's in it. It's a little box, and it says open on the top. Let's see. All right, so we'll open it because it said to. It practically begged. Oh, it's a little book. Okay, World Wonders. Oh, cute. So this is like on more of a white core. There's all of these postage stamp print. Ooh, look at how pretty that magenta-y orchid is. So it looks like postage stamp little bits of like 5 bazillion things in a cute little booklet. Oh, look at Big Ben. Hey kids, there's Big Ben. So cute. London. So love it. I love that white core. And they feel nice, and I mean, they're not super skinny, but they feel like I don't know, like really smooth. Not that it matters, but it's kind of neat. Okay, I have that. What's this? These are stickers. There we go. So kind of see-through-y, not fully see-through-y, but kind of see-through stickers. Very cool. And there's a locomotive on there. And it repeats in case you're trying to figure out the what's what. So we have that. Okay, let's see what this is. So this is a cling stamp. Let's see what this one is. Is that one a cling stamp? Okay, so we have 2 cling stamps to open. Let's see what this one is. Oh, all right, so this one reads Locomotive Travel. So it totally matches the kit. Nice little cling stamp. And then this one, railway station. Oh, how cute. Do you see the old school print on that? That's so cute. All right, let's see what this one has. Prezzies. Come on. Open, open, open. Open, open, open. Let's see what we have. Oh, and then this one, it's a larger locomotive. Let's see what it's, Steam Locomotive 1804. Guys, that is cool. So cool. Okay, so those are some prezzies there. Oh, what's this? Another cling stamp. Guys, it's a 3rd package with stamps in it. Okay. Okay, let's see. Come on out. Oh, this is cute, guys. It's another locomotive. How cute. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, we have that. And we have this. This is washi. Masking tape washi. Come on. Masking tape washi. So let's see what we've got. It feels like a bigger roll. It is. Okay, let's see. So it's got kind of like a, not shiny, but definitely like super smooth, almost slippery kind of texture to it. Come on. Come on, little guys. Come on. There we go. Oh, guys, look at how pretty. Look at, I see postage stamps and the locomotive and advertisement. I see text. Very pretty. So that's a super cool washi. Then, okay. Okay, so what is life is illusion only. Life is not a dream. Destiny is held in your own hands. Okay, there you go. Now we know. So another little book kind of thing. These are made so well. And do you guys see like the gold kind of metallic on it? So what are these? Okay, so more of the papers. So we've got stamps. I like the kind of yellow tone in there. And then they repeat. Let's see, how many of each do you get, do you guys think? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 5 of each. So very cool. Then we have this one. Love that like indigo color. Oh, and then this one looks like it's all like paper on top of paper on top of paper. Very pretty. Look at that one. There's music notes. Let's see. I can't read half of this. I just think it's cool. I like that kind of olivey tone. Oh, and then this one, Sikmon Islands, Katie. I have no idea what that stuff is. I just think it's cool. All right, so that's super cool. And then the very last thing, I think this is the last thing. We've gotten so many cool things in here. I want to make sure I open everything. Okay. Oh, the last thing is one more little washi. So let's see what we have. Oh, it's another big size washi. I thought it was going to be a skinny one because we already got a big one. So we have 2 wider washi. And this looks like it's just going to be like a repeating pattern. The other one had like a lot of variation. Come on. Don't be shy. There we go. So this one just matches the kit beautifully. Repeating pattern. Very cool. Love that. So guys, this is so fun. This company, you get all of these little packages of like wonders and goodies, and they're not like super like holiday themed, but this one definitely has this travel vibe, which I think is very cool. Totally makes me want to art journal. Okay, guys. So you can go to yourcreativestudio.com and score these goodies. This was a January kit. Guys, it's so fun. All of these like little books and stamps and little pieces and fun things. So I'm going to get playing with my goodies, and what else? I don't know, guys. I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video. Huge thank you to Your Creative Studio for sending me these goodies. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.